I bet you didn't know a natural remedy can handle cuts, burns and rashes effortlessly. Meet Nature Core Lanka's Wound Balm. This little jar of wonders is your new best friend for all things skin related. Got a cut? Dab some balm? Burn your finger? Apply a bit of this magic. Struggling with eczema or rashes? You guessed it, Nature Core to the rescue. It's super easy to use too. Just wash the area with lukewarm water, apply a thin layer of the balm, and you're good to go. Plus, it's made from natural ingredients, so it's gentle on your skin. And the best part? You can snag this miracle balm for just 100 rupees. Head over to our store and grab yours today. Remember, it's for external use only. Stay healthy, stay happy, and let Nature Core Lanka take care of your skin.